here with more advanced knowledge on how to collaborate in your next project.
Today, we are live at the Rhema Digital Solutions groundbreaking digital program where the future of the construction industry is being shaped. With the theme, Driving Real-Time Collaborations in AEC Projects is truly at the heart of efficiency and innovation in the built environment. At the Chronicles of Construction, we are dedicated to bringing you the pulse of the industry, and this event is an example of the forward-thinking ideas and innovation that will shape how we build. Get ready to dive into deep insights that will transform how we build. Let's get started.
We offer a unique approach to the growing needs of architecture, engineering, construction, oil and gas, and entertainment industry with IT solutions. We are passionate about technology and how technology is changing the world that we live in today. So that's why in today's world, we want to showcase one of the products to you, and we are authorized Autodesk reseller. Like our team, Breaking Silos, is more than a buzzword. It is called to action. With tools like Autodesk Construction Cloud, we now have the opportunity to bridge this gap. We now have the opportunity to bridge these silos between these industries.
Present what your clients and customer want to see, to give them the values they want to desire. So that when they have a building project, before constructions, they can have a walkthrough to their project on the site. And at the same time, they can make correction internally for you to review. Not that the construction starts, you start making corrections on the field. So these are the opportunities. So if Civil 3D can connect to infrared, you can see there's a link. It's connected. I think there is collections. You can work effectively as a building specialist or infrastructural professionals. Now, for a dynamic review, it means for any site I need to plan, I can just go there, get the existing data before my surveyor team will go there to coordinate how I want to get the information. And I have information that can give me data to use to understand the terrain condition of that environment so that it can allow me to plan well for my infrastructures. When you have a flat terrain, it's different from when you have undulating terrain. You need to manage the planning process well. So that means if you don't want to save your time going to site, you can plan any site location from your office to understand the proposal you want to present to win a project or to win a project procurement. But now, when you have license, you already have an image background, and you have plugins and extensions that allows you, and this is a plugin, we call it Place Ant 2026, it's updated now. It allows you from your Civil 3D, you just connect, as long as Google Earth is on your system, you just connect with it and to give you the terrain, and you are just profiling. It will give you direct link in Civil 3D. You can import. From here, you can import KML, KMZ to export, import from the site. Because we are talking about coordination site in real time. If you are monitoring infrastructural projects, you have it on your phone. That is, when you go to site, rather than getting information on what is ongoing, with this process, you get your information with SW map, feed app GIS, survey 123, and the Autodesk Construction Cloud connections. They will send information to you in real time on the feed as a KML or KMZ, and you interpret it in your Civil 3D.
Does you guys, the representatives of the Autodesk, have talk to the Autodesk guys about Africans, more especially Nigerians, about the cost of these softwares, considering the fact that, as we earlier spoke with you, if you look at cost of Netflix, for example, in US, and the cost of Netflix in Nigeria. The one in Nigeria is lesser in price than the one in the US and UK, considering we are developing countries. But looking at the price of what you have, most of the Africans, there are so many people that want to actually subscribe for this, but they don't have the means and even the machineries to even install the softwares. Are not the price is not what you can just think of. So I think you guys that are direct connection with the Autodesk guys, you can tell them about reduction in the subscription fee.
I hope Autodesk also, I hope they are aware that there are competitors outside there. I'll give an example. We wanted to subscribe to Autodesk, AutoCAD, precisely. And because of the cost as an organization, we had to look for alternative. Where we find the alternative? China. That is Then the second question quickly is that, is Autodesk now partnering with Esri? That is, because I'm just seeing it, I'm seeing, so
the affordability issue is at least from experience, it's been a little bit of a red herring. So I think, in terms of competitors, I think if there's ZWCAD, and I said this to one of the companies we saw yesterday, I don't want to come across as arrogant on this. There are competitors and the environment does change. But, my request to anyone who's using our products and not paying is either pay or don't use our products. But the idea of saying you're using our products but it's too expensive, these are companies that are generally making significant amounts of money. And but everyone pleads poverty. So piracy is an issue. It is stealing. It's no different than stealing somebody's computer or not paying for products that you bought.
On the issue of internet infrastructure, no matter how good the softwares are and all of that, maybe this is not the right forum. Maybe it's not a question easy Autodesk could answer. But I tell you, this is one of the challenges. You are talking about deep collaborative. We had a project that we did, and we had to do that synergy with site. At a time, we just felt, come site, don't worry, we'll bring you the drawing. Tomorrow we'll bring you the drawing. And it was not supposed to be like that, because these are infrastructure deficits in terms of internet. Is there anything we're looking in that direction? Because it's not just to sell the product and everybody buy the product. You can buy the product, but if you are not able to use the product, you have not maximized the product.
So my question is, we deal with roads. So what about in cases where we want to get an as-built design of an existing road structure? How can we is there any existing technology that can get the substructure as it is, using laser or any other technology? Thank you.
How would you measure the success of today's event?
Yeah, today's event was very successful. The turnout was very good.
Okay.
We had sessions, 3 different sessions, where the first session talked about the Autodesk Construction Cloud and the various products in the Autodesk Construction Cloud,
okay,
how the product can actually help the professionals in the AEC industry to collaborate well and ensure that they don't have any issues with information sharing in a project.
The Autodesk format is what I would like to delve into, considering the digital age that we are in right now and the technological advancement. And I learned today that it's all about using AI, to develop the project, if I'm right, but I would like to know more about that. And also using the Civil 3D, which is being compliant, where you can see the real-time imagery of a project site. I think these 2 softwares or solutions I would like to, inquire more and learn more and also apply it in my everyday work.
It was really impactful and educative at the same time. And the dimension of thinking I'm going with is not the same
with the one you came in with.
Exactly. So in summary, that's what I can say.
That's what you, okay, so what was like one major take home? Something you're taking home and you're going to be implementing after today's program?
Actually, there are more than one take homes, but basically the kind of features that are in this software that we are not even utilizing. We are shown to us, we are even demonstrated, though it's very fast, but I think we've seen it and we've seen the possibility of using it, so we can put our more effort and get good out of the software.
As a surveyor, we make use of a lot of softwares, and we also carry out a lot of projects and all that. So the program was very, very interesting, making us to see the need to partner with the company and also give us more insight on the usefulness in carrying out projects using their softwares.
Oh, Rhema Digital Solutions, you're doing very well. You've done a great job. It's not easy to pull a lot of professionals from different sectors in one place to discuss and actually to reach a certain conclusion and also conviction that the Autodesk company, they are really doing well in order to make our work more easier and more efficient. So kudos to Rhema Digital Solutions and applause for them. You have done well and we are looking forward more to collaborate with you further.
We are expanding into AI-powered projects analytics like Autodesk Forma, AutoCAD mobile solutions for on-site teams and integration tools to better serve the evolving need of the built environment.
Okay, so most of the things we hear most times are that it's expensive, it's costly, and it's complex. So most times we try to educate them more to let them know that it's not that expensive compared to the value they are getting. And also we try to organize demo trials for them to also see that it's easy to use.
The world we are living in today is changing. As you all know, the AEC industry, that's the architects, engineers, and construction industry, are facing challenge in collaboration. So how does these people collaborate among in a project? So this solution that we presented today is one of the solutions that can help this industry collaborate seamlessly, error-free, and also when they go to the site, they will be able to present an accurate building or construction or road design, anything with this solution. So that was the brain behind it, being that as the world is changing, as technology is evolving, we are bringing to the AEC industry the technology that they need at such a time as this.
The objectives of these programs is to communicate to people that attend this event about the essence of using the right tools and processes in this our current connected world in the architectural, engineering, and construction industries. We realize that it's very important that we take our service deliveries and professional expertise to the next level, because things are changing. The world is going digital. The world is interconnected. So we believe that we have the right tools and processes for those in a built environment. So we need to let them know, if they don't have that information, to know what they can do and to know the capability they have to access some of these solutions we have and use it to define and work with our various businesses in order for them to achieve a result and targeted business outcomes. So that's why we are here, and that's why this program is for them. So at the end of everything, we believe that if any one of them are ready to key in, we are going to give them more support to see that they get the outcome they expected, so that they continue to use the solutions for project implementations and completions.
All right.
And in the presentation, we identify the challenges that we're currently having in Nigeria AEC sector, and we also mentioned what the capability they can utilize within the Autodesk solutions for them to resolve those challenges and use it to upscale their businesses, not only just in Nigeria, but outside the shore of Nigeria.
what a remarkable, insightful, and informative day it has been today at the Rhema Digital Solutions digital program. The conversations today have really laid a strong, innovative foundation for the future of our built environment. Our sincere appreciation goes out to Rhema Digital Solutions for championing such a vital conversation in the built environment, and also to all the remarkable guest speakers and professionals who made this event a memorable one. This is the Chronicles of Construction, the art of building, and the soul of storytelling. This is Anne David signing out.
You are leaving here with more advanced knowledge on how to collaborate in your next project.